Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off screen locking or unlocking sound in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First, experience the sound. Go to the locking button here, and if you press locking for your phone, if you press this lock button, you will experience small sound. If you want to turn off it, yes, you can do it. When unlocking also, you will have this sound. Okay, to turn off it, just go to the settings of your phone here, and then go to sound and vibration. Go to sound and vibration, then go to screen locking sound. Okay, just turn off it, and now you will not experience that sound. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off screen locking or unlocking sound in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.